Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So the Makkar's May to August 2024 final version of the speaking cue card is out. So we will see what new cue cards have been introduced and what changes are there for these 4 months particularly. So this is the final version, not the first version, but the final version. Okay, let's scroll a little bit down and look at the cue cards. So the first one is describe a new development in your country or the area where you live, like shopping center, park. The second one is describe something you did that made you feel proud. The third one is describe a picture or photograph of you that you like. This one is already uploaded on the channel with the follow-ups also. So make sure you watch that. Describe something that you did with someone or a group of people. Describe a famous person that is a role model for young people. The fifth one, this is also uploaded with the follow-up, so make sure you watch that. Then the sixth is describe a subject that you would like to learn in the future. Describe a natural place, example parks, mountains. This one is again uploaded on the channel and the follow-ups also. Describe a risk you took that you thought would lead to a terrible result but ended up with a positive result. This one also again uploaded on the channel with the follow-ups. Number 9 is describe someone you know who made a good decision recently. This one is also uploaded with the follow-ups. Describe a place where you have taken photos more than once, the 10th cue card. This is also uploaded on the channel with the follow-ups. So you can watch that. Number 11th. Alright, so let's scroll down. So there have been a lot of new cue cards introduced, right? And the total number of cue card is 97. All right. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.